Hello everyone. So today let's check how to modify posted documents. So let me show it in Business Central. So let's go to Posted Sales Invoices and let's check how to modify some fields in Posted Sales Invoices. So the Microsoft has provided the update document action in Posted Sales Invoices. So when we open update document page, so it will give us at least 3 fields to update, like the payment method code, payment reference, and company bank account code. So these 3 fields can be modified. So for example, so in my case, for this document, if we see payment method code is blank, and now if I go and update the payment method code to, let's say, bank, and click OK, then the payment method code field is updated to bank. So this is how we can update at least these 3 fields of posted sales invoice. Now, what if we want to update few more standard fields or custom fields? So now we will see how to add custom fields to this screen and how to update those fields in the posted sales invoice. So let's take any field. So for example, I want to change your reference field. Okay, so right now the your reference field has open here. So I want to change it to some other value. Then how to do that? So first let's check what page is this one. So this is page 1355. So let's go to Visual Studio Code and let's check that page first. So it is 1355 posted sales invoices update. So here you can see the general tab has those number, sell to customer name, and posting date fields, and the payment group has 3 fields that we have seen: payment method code, payment reference, and company bank account code. So there is another group, electronic document. So this is applicable for only Mexican application area. So if application area is enabled for basic MX, then only those fields or group will be visible. So now how to extend this page? Okay, so let's create a page extension for this page, and then we will see how to extend this one. So I'm going to name it as posted sales invoice update extension dot page extension dot al, and now I'm going to use page extension. So I will use let me change the number series here to 83,100 to 83,149. So let's go back to here and select 83,100 and posted sales invoice update extension, and we are extending the page posted sales invoice update. So now in the layout, let's create one new group at the end. So I'm using add last of content, and then group. It's group. Then name it as like some name custom. So now I'm going to add the field your reference. So give it a application area equal to all. So now, yeah, we have added the group and field that we want to update. So now let's see what else we need to do. So this page is once we update the values in that new field, so it is going to check whether record is changed or not. So basically this page is built on a temporary table. So we have to update the main table using this code unit, and before that we have to enable this record changed function, okay, to return it as true. So right now, so it is using only these fields. So it is comparing the payment method code field with the X sales invoice header, and if one of these fields is modified, then only it will return the record change to true. So now we have to use this on after record changed publisher or event, and we have to check the field your reference, and if there is any change, then we have to return is changed to true. So let's create a code unit. Okay, so I'm going to name it as posted sales invoice update system dot code unit dot al. So T code unit, I'm going to use 80,100 and then name it sales invoice update subscribers. And here I will use find event, and then I will paste on after record changed. So we are using posted sales invoice update. So let's select that event, and it created the signature of that event. So now, as I mentioned, so we have to check sales invoice header dot your reference. If sales invoice header dot your reference not equal to X sales invoice header dot your reference, then we have to make is changed boolean to true. Then what it will do is, so it will come here and it will return record change to true. Then it will go inside this code unit. So let's check what is inside this code unit. So this code unit is basically updating those fields which are shown in that page. So now using this on run, on before test field number. So we have to update your reference field. So let's go back to our custom code unit and use find event and create a subscriber for that event. So it again created the signature. So now we have to update the sales invoice header rec. So let's do that. Sales invoice header dot your reference equal to sales invoice rec dot your reference. So now this will update your reference field in the main sales invoice header table. So let's see how it works now. So I'm going to publish these modifications. There we go. So now let's open the sales invoice card and open update document. So here now you can see new group custom, and your reference field is showing the current value as open. So let's say I want to update it as, let's say, closed. Okay. And now I updated it to closed and click OK. So now this value is changed to closed. So like this, we can use any standard field or custom field and update the posted sales invoice documents. Thank you all.